Today I have 19 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see what are these free courses. The first course is here, Python Multitrack, Beginners and Professional 0 to Hero. Here the second course is MERN Stack e-commerce mobile app with React Native 2021. Third course is web automation using uipath RPA-project. You can learn about world's fastest growing technology from this course. Next course is Fundamentals of Electronics Engineering. Next one is that the Python MicroDegree 2021 App Development to Data Science. You can learn everything you need to become a future Python Pro in 2021. The next course is From Revit to Blender 2.9x. Next course is Adobe Photoshop CC, Basic Photoshop Training. You can learn the basics of Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. You don't need to have any prior knowledge regarding this. The next course is Controversial Spanish 1, Master Spoken Spanish Beginner. Next course is Controversial Italian 1, Master Spoken Italian Beginners. Next one is again language course, Controversial French 1, Master Spoken French for Beginner. And here is another language course. It is French Level 1, a complete guide to master the French basics. Next course is Learn to host multiple domains on one virtual server. Then how to install a free SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt. Next course is Polyglot Masterclass, become fluent in any language for free. Next course is the Python Programming Complete Beginner course, Bootcamp 2021. Next course is Goal Setting for Success, plan and achieve your goals. This course is Project Development using Java for Beginners. And this is the complete ethical hacking courses. You can learn how to get started as a professional hacker with this complete course. And the last course is here, Search Engine Optimization Complete Specialization courses. So you can get the link of all of these free certification courses in the video description. Check it there.